Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you're doing well. It's Watson here. I'm in the NEC. Got Warwin Vlogs here. Today guys, we're at a classic car show and it's going to be absolutely sick. So no, we're not here for Insomnia this time, but we're at a classic car show, so that is cool. And yeah, let's do this.
Close your eyes and just stay tight, we have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve.
Been in the car show now for about 2 hours, done some cinematics, looks around. I'm gonna go and get a Subway in a minute and then I'll do some more vlogging after that and everything. Right then guys, we're out of the halls now, we're gonna go and get a Subway, have some lunch and that, and then we'll get back in there and do some more vlogging, some more cinematics. There's an auction going on that, that'd be pretty cool. Subway, yay. Yay. Hi, can I have a foot long Italian, please? Just bacon and cheese, please. Right then guys, consumed the Subway. Kyle has as well, he's onto the fruity chews now. I don't know why, but yeah, we're going back into. Alright, yeah. Anyway, we're going back into the show now. I'd vlog a lot more now. Let's do this. Quick change of plan, guys. Rather than going in there just straight away, we're going to go into Resorts World. We're going to Resorts World, look around, maybe do a bit of shopping, something like that, and then I just got stared at by a load of fam. Yeah. So as I was saying before I got rudely stared at, rather than going in there straight away again, I'm going to go to Resorts World, look around, maybe do a bit of shopping and that sort of stuff. Got Kyle here. Hello. So yeah, we're going to go into there and then we'll get back in there. There's an auction going on at 2 o'clock. We'll view that. That'll be pretty cool. Baby, guys, we're now in Resorts World. We're in Resorts World. I don't know what to say, but we're in Resorts World.
Shouldn't have said that.
Going to pay another escalator, you know, just as you do. Another escalator. Carl's enjoying the escalator. Hello. Hello. There's too many escalators in this building. Right then guys, all done it in Resorts World. Couldn't vlog loads because security are everywhere and they don't like you filming in Resorts World for some reason. It's really windy out here. Hopefully the dead cat's holding up well. Guys, how awesome would this be, this whole thing here? That looks really cool for a time lapse. So I'm going to do a time lapse in 3, 2, 1, go. Right then guys, we're coming back into the actual car show now. Carl's going to buy another key ring because, you know, why not?
I'm being nice, I'm getting my family something.
That's cool. So yeah, we're going to go look at some key rings, look at some cool stuff. Let's do this.
A few moments later.
Alright then guys, we're now out of the car event. It's been a really sick day today, really awesome. We both really enjoyed it. Some really nice cars there.
Indeed.
Some really nice cars going through in the auction. A lot of money being spent there, and that was cool. But anyway guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's vlog. Hope you did all go ahead and enjoy today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Hope you did all go ahead and enjoy. Remember to like, comment guys, and subscribe to my channel.
And also subscribe to Warren Vlogs, you know.
Yeah. Just don't. Yeah, but anyway guys, remember to like, comment guys, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Obviously you can still like and comment even if you're not new. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next vlog. Or
Silent for too long.